Hello? Yeah, it's me. A new winning product, totally new product. It's a cap with sunglasses. Chinese people do many interesting things. You don't know how ideas come for them. They create many ideas. The cap is very nice. The finishing is perfect. I like it. Have different colors, and as you could see, it is a cap. You could put it easy. It's nice. Finishing is okay. Yeah. Price is okay as well. And this is a super new product. Yeah. So the link of the product is down, so you can check it, and you can log in to mutualdropship.com. You could find more winning products. We'll keep reminding you about our services, doing the photo shooting, the video for the products, and we could do also a special price for one Shopify store for our followers and subscribers. I hope this channel you could learn more, you could get more idea, and for the products I hope you could get more sales. I will generate some followers and you will generate more money. I hope you like it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.